Satisfying nose blackheads removal. Visible pores gone. Sometimes it's not just the blackheads, it's the pores themselves. Large, visible pores can completely change the texture of the skin. Today's treatment focuses on satisfying nose blackheads removal with a deep cleaning process designed to clear congestion and reduce the appearance of visible pores. Why pores become more visible? Pores naturally expand when they remain clogged over time. As oil and debris build up inside, the pore stretches and becomes easier to see. This creates rough texture, uneven skin appearance, enlarged visible pores. The problem with congested pores: when congestion stays trapped inside the skin, the pores appear darker and wider. Even after washing the face, the buildup often remains deep inside. Step 1. Cleansing surface prep. We begin by removing excess oil and preparing the skin for extraction. Step 2. Steam pore softening. Warm steam is applied to soften buildup trapped inside enlarged pores. This helps make extraction smoother and more controlled. Step 3. Detailed blackhead removal. Extraction begins carefully. As the blackheads are removed, the pores slowly begin to clear and relax. Step 4. Deep cleaning the visible pores. Now the larger congested pores are targeted. Some release thick buildup that has remained trapped for long periods. The skin texture begins to transform as more congestion is removed. Step 5. Skin texture refinement. Once the buildup is gone, the pores appear visibly cleaner and tighter. The skin surface becomes smoother, clearer, more refined. Step 6. Recovery cooling treatment. A calming treatment is applied to reduce redness and soothe the skin after extraction. Final results: before, visible enlarged pores and heavy congestion; after, cleaner looking pores and smoother skin texture, a satisfying deep pore cleaning transformation. Final message: clear skin isn't just about removing blackheads, it's about restoring smooth texture and refining the appearance of the pores themselves. If you enjoyed this satisfying nose blackheads removal transformation, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep pore cleaning videos.